Despite their strengths, agent communication protocols face notable challenges that impact their effectiveness in dynamic environments. Two of the most critical issues are latency and bandwidth constraints, both of which can undermine real-time coordination and system performance. Latency, or delay in message delivery, hampers real-time decision-making, a core requirement in autonomous systems. In domains such as smart grids, for example, delayed synchronization between agents can result in inefficient power distribution, wasted resources, or even system instability. Bandwidth limitations further complicate communication, particularly in large-scale or data-intensive systems. High message volume or complex agent interactions may lead to bottlenecks, impeding the timely exchange of critical information. Addressing these challenges requires protocol optimization to reduce overhead and enable lightweight messaging. Additionally, implementing adaptive communication strategies, such as prioritizing urgent messages or compressing data, can help balance quality of communication with resource efficiency. Overcoming these barriers is essential for building scalable, responsive, and reliable multi-agent systems in real-world applications. In agent communication protocols, latency and bandwidth are critical performance factors that directly impact the efficiency of real-time decision-making, especially in domains such as autonomous vehicles and smart infrastructure. Latency, or the time delay in message delivery, can severely hinder timely operations. In autonomous vehicles, even minor delays in data exchange between agents can compromise navigation decisions or collision avoidance. Similarly, in smart grids, delayed synchronization of sensor and control data can result in inefficient power distribution, load imbalances, or increased energy loss. Bandwidth constraints limit the volume of data that can be transmitted at any given time, leading to communication bottlenecks during high-load scenarios or complex agent interactions. To mitigate these challenges, ACPs must be designed with minimal protocol overhead and support adaptive messaging strategies, such as prioritizing critical information, compressing payloads, or dynamically adjusting message frequency. These optimizations help maintain a balance between communication quality and resource efficiency, ensuring reliable agent performance in demanding environments. Fault tolerance is a critical aspect of agent communication protocols, ensuring system reliability and continuity despite agent failures, communication disruptions, or network instability. In distributed environments where agents operate autonomously, the ability to recover from faults is essential for maintaining consistent behavior and data integrity. In e-commerce systems, for instance, dropped or delayed messages between agents can result in order duplication, missed transactions, or inventory inconsistencies. Such failures undermine user trust and operational efficiency. To enhance fault tolerance, incorporate techniques such as redundant messaging, which ensures that critical information is delivered even if initial attempts fail. Checkpointing allows agents to periodically save their state, enabling recovery to a known good state in case of failure. Additionally, consensus algorithms help maintain consistency across distributed agents by ensuring agreement on shared data or decision outcomes. Implementing these strategies allows multi-agent systems to operate resiliently and reliably even in the face of partial system failures or unpredictable network conditions. In multi-agent environments, interoperability is often hindered by the diversity of agent platforms and the evolving nature of agent communication protocol standards. Agents built on different ACP versions or using proprietary communication protocols may encounter compatibility issues, leading to fragmented communication and limited coordination. A common challenge arises when integrating legacy agents, particularly in domains like industrial automation, with newer agents that adhere to modern standards. These older systems may lack support for updated protocols or performative semantics, requiring the use of middleware layers, protocol translators, or communication adapters. While effective, these solutions increase system complexity, introduce potential points of failure, and demand additional maintenance. To address these challenges, there is a growing emphasis on adopting open standards and designing ACPs with modularity and extensibility in mind. This approach facilitates backward compatibility, easier integration, and greater resilience in diverse, evolving ecosystems. Overcoming interoperability barriers is essential for realizing the full potential of scalable, collaborative multi-agent systems in real-world cross-platform environments. The challenges faced in agent communication protocol design are not merely obstacles, they serve as catalysts for innovation. Addressing limitations such as latency, fault tolerance, and interoperability has spurred advances in adaptive communication protocols, which adjust behavior based on real-time network conditions and system demands. Emerging solutions include AI-driven error detection and recovery, enabling agents to autonomously resolve communication failures, and dynamic bandwidth management, which optimizes data flow to maintain performance under variable load conditions. These technologies enhance the resilience, efficiency, and scalability of multi-agent communication systems. In parallel, research trends are pushing toward modular, extensible protocol architectures and greater adherence to open standards, improving long-term compatibility and integration across platforms. As these innovations mature, they are paving the way for next-generation ACPs capable of supporting increasingly complex, autonomous, and distributed agent networks. Ultimately, innovation in response to ACP design challenges is driving the evolution of agent communication, shaping systems that are not only more robust but also more adaptive and future-ready.